Well, hello. It's Chef. I hope everybody's well. I'm going to be sending out some weekly posts of some stuff that you could do at home. Maybe with your kids, maybe not. We're going to do some cooking lessons. We're going to do some art projects. I hope you enjoy and it helps you get through this tough time that we're all going through. We're going to start off doing something with the kiddos. I know there's a lot of hours in the day that need to be filled with stuff to do, and it's hard getting out. And so I was looking around the house and I saw I had some duct tape and I had a big bag of chalk. Right? So what can we do with that? So we started doing some paintings, and so check it out. So what we did, we started by making a frame. All right, you make a frame with your tape, just like so.
Chalk. That piece of chalk.
Let your kids decide. Then we take some chalk and we start coloring in with the chalk. And we smear it around a little bit.
Is this cool? Look.
Yeah, keep doing your combining. Always a fun thing to get dirty, less fun for the parents. Then we peel off the tape, and voila, masterpiece. Amazing. A classic piece of contemporary art for you and your family and maybe neighbors to enjoy. It's just something to do, get a little fresh air if at all possible, and keep the kids occupied without having to stick them in front of the screen. Also, if you're interested in staying occupied, for the gentlemen out there, you might notice this. Oh yeah, that's right. Mustache. Right? It's time to work on your mustache. If anybody wants to step up to the mustache challenge with Chef, that's right. Now is the time. I'm going to let this puppy grow. Oh yeah. Right? Let's see what you got. All right? So I'll check back in with you next week. Me and Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Me and Zoe are going to come up with some fun new things to do. Right? We're going to do some cooking. We're going to make pasta. We're going to make, what are we going to make? Beignets.
Tortellini.
We're going to make tortellini. Right? We're going to show everybody how to make pasta dough at home. And we're going to do some quick videos on how to use some stuff in your pantry that you might have hanging around. Canned goods. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Just kidding, she's fine. And we'll go from there. If anybody has any questions for me, please post them in the feed. Happy to answer them. Cooking questions or other stuff. You know, right now I'm at home being teacher Matt, right? So we found some.
I'm standing on his foot.
And she's still here. And we found some great online classes and games that you could do for the kids to keep them occupied without just watching regular TV.
I'm standing
So
on my
take care of yourself, Park Hyatt, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.